Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Reviola Nurzuhara Putri Suteja and I'm the second semester student of Universitas Islam Negeri Sunan Gunung Jati, Bandung. I'm from the 2D class and my student number is 12402400072. So today I'm gonna show you my result of my interaction with Meta AI, which is Meta AI is the artificial intelligence research and development division of Meta Platform, formerly Facebook, and it focuses on advancing the states of AI through open research, innovative model, and development, and also practical applications. But now I use it to help me about my paragraph writing subject. And I use the same prompt as my lecturer. So let's start from the first prompts. It's that I want to learn paragraph writing as an undergraduate English department student. I need your help to create a test in multiple choice format. The plan is you provide a question and I respond to your question. Then you review my answer and provide suggestions to understand the concept. And next question, we follow the same pattern, provide multiple choice question to measure my understanding on sentence in English. So then the Meta AI answer with a questions about a sentence or a complex sentence. And the question is, which of the following sentences is an example of a complex sentence? Okay, so I'll choose A, which is the wrong answer, and then the Meta AI corrects it. It said that option A is actually an example of a compound sentence, which is the wrong answer because at the question the because the questions it's need the complex sentence one. And a compound sentence contains two or more independent clauses joined with conjunction like and or but. I really surprised here because Meta AI really describe what is the difference between complex and compound sentence. And then he give us the correct answer. So the correct answer is actually B. Although it was raining, I still went to the park. And also he give us the reason why the B option is the right one. And then after that, he tell us the concept about what is a complex sentence typically has. So he described that a complex sentence must has an independent clause and a dependent clause and a subordinating conjunction. Okay, and after that, he gave me the next questions. Which of the following sentence is an example of a sentence in the passive voice? I answer B, and then my answer is correct. And then the Meta AI tell me the reason why the option B is the right one and give me the concept about passive voice is often used to emphasize the action's recipients, downplay the doer's importance, and create a more formal tone. And then he give me an active voice equivalent too. So, and the description about what is active voice equivalent, which is of option B would be option A, the chef cooked the meal. So in this case, the focus in on the doer or the chef. And then he gives me another question, but I change it to the next prompt, which is, can you now provide questions to measure my understanding on what is not sentence in English? So I want to know like what is an in English the sentence that it's not actually a sentence, and then provide the multiple choice question. Okay, then Meta AI give me a question, which of the following is not a complete sentence in English? And I answer it B, and then he give me an answer that my answer is correct. that option B is not a complete sentence in English. Let's see. Option B is because I forgot my phone. And then he give me the reason. Because it's a dependent clause or a fragment, starting with the subordinating conjunction because. So it lacks an independent clause to complete the thought. So it's not the complete sentence. It makes it not a complete sentence. So the concept of a complete sentence typically has a subject, a verb, and a complete thought. And then Meta AI give me the the what is the dependent clauses or fragments start with. He gave me the explanation that it must start with because or although or if, and they need to be connected to an independent clause to from a complete sentence. And then she gave me another question again, still about this topic, and I answer it A. I answer it wrong. And then he correct it and give me the right answer. And then he give me the explanation why the A option is wrong and why the B option is right. Like this. And then he give me another question again and I answer it correctly. So it really helped me whenever I made a mistake. So I don't have to search it on the book or on the internet because Meta AI already explained how it could be wrong and how my answer could be right. And the next prompt is about element paragraph. The prompt is now provide a multiple choice questions to measure my understanding on the concept of a paragraph element. So he gave me the questions. What is the primary function of a topic sentence in a paragraph? And I answer it D, which is the wrong answer. So the right answer is C, to introduce the main idea or topic. He gave me the reason a topic sentence usually appears at the beginning of a paragraph and set the stage for the rest of the paragraph. And also give me the concept about a good topic sentence should be. And yes, he gave me a next questions about which element of a paragraph that helps to connect ideas between sentences and paragraph. And I answer the C options, which is linking words or transitional phrases. And that is the correct one. He give me the explanation why it corrects because linking words or transitional phrases help connect ideas between sentences and paragraphs, so it making the text flow smoothly and logically. And also he give me another examples that linking words or transitional phrases include words like however, in addition, meanwhile, therefore, and consequently. He gave me a concept and another question. Okay, let's skip to the next prompt. The next prompt is about identifying topic sentence. The prompt is now I need a multiple choice questions to measure my competence in identifying topic sentence in a paragraph. Please write the question. And the Meta AI give me a question. So this is a paragraph, and we have to choose the right topic sentence. I choose C, which is the wrong answer because the correct answer is B. Let's see to the questions. The new smartphone features an advanced camera system. It can capture high-quality photos and videos in various lighting conditions. Additionally, the phone's battery life is impressive, lasting up to days on a single charge. Many users have praised the phone's sleek design and user-friendly interface. So, my answer C is wrong. because it's supporting sentence that provides additional information. It's not the topic sentence. The correct answer is B, because this sentence introduces the main idea of the paragraph, which is about the features of the new smartphone. And the answer is the new smartphone features an advanced camera system. And Meta AI give me a concept about a topic, a typically of topic sentence, which is introduce the main idea, sets the stage for the rest of the paragraph, provides a general statement that the other sentences support. And he give me another question again about choose the topic sentence. Still same as before. So I will skip it. But the thing I realize here is the answer always at the B option. So every questions, the answer is always at the B one. So I think that we have to clearly describe our prompt. So the questions would be various. Okay, to the next prompt, it's identifying supporting sentence. The prompt is about I need a multiple choice questions to measure my competence in identifying supporting sentence in a paragraph. Please write the question. So this is about I asked Meta AI to describe how it's a supporting sentence in a paragraph to me. And he gave me a questions, a paragraph, and I must to choose the right supporting sentence. So the first paragraph, it's the city's public transportation system is efficient and reliable. Buses and trains run on schedule, making it easy to get around the city. The system is used by thousands of commuters every day. So I choose C1. The system is used by thousands of commuters every day. And the right answer is D. So my answer is wrong. He gave me a reason why my answer is wrong because option B provides an example of how the system is efficient. So, and option C provides additional evidence of the system reliability and usage. So the most correct answer is the D. It's the both B and C is the supporting sentence because it provides more information about the system efficiency and reliability. And she gives me the concept too about how supporting sentence typically, which is provide evidence or examples, elaborate on the topic sentence, and helps to build a stronger argument or explanation. He give me another questions still about the paragraph and to choose a right supporting sentence. But now I choose it correctly, which is the D one, which is the both B and C, and it's the answer. And he give me the reasons, and also he give me another question. But the thing I realize here is still that there is a repetition, which is the answer is always at the D option, and the answer is always both at B and C. So maybe next time I use a more clear prompt. So the questions would be more various. Okay, next prompt is identifying concluding sentence. Now I need a multiple choice questions to measure my competence in identifying concluding sentence in a paragraph. Please write the question. He give me questions and I must to choose the right concluding sentence. So the first question is the city's public transportation system is efficient and reliable. Buses and trains run on schedule. So the first question and please write the question. He give me a questions and I must a paragraph and I must to choose the right concluding sentence. So the paragraph is the city's public transportation system is efficient and reliable. Buses and trains run on schedule, making it easy to get around the city. The system is used by thousands of commuters every day. Overall, the public transportation system is a vital part of the city's infrastructure, make it an attractive place to live and work. It has the same topic as the first one at the previous prompts, right? It's still about the public transportation, but it has a different sentence. Okay, and the right answer is A, but okay, I answered the A options, but the correct one is D. And he gave me the reasons too why my answer is wrong and why the D answer is right, and the concept. So I could be more, so I could be know about how to choose a proper concluding sentence. Next questions. I choose the D answer, the D option, and it's the correct one. Let's see to the questions. Regular exercise can help reduce stress and anxiety. Physical activity stimulates the production of endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. Exercise can also improve sleep quality. In conclusion, incorporating regular exercise into one's lifestyle can have numerous benefits for both physical and mental health. I choose the D one. In conclusion, incorporating regular exercise into one's lifestyle can have numerous benefits for both physical and mental health. And it's the right one because because I already know the concept from the previous question. So I could choose these questions with right. And then the next prompt is about the narrative paragraph. Now write a multiple choice questions to measure my understanding on narrative paragraph. So the question is, so Meta AI give me a paragraph. I still remember the day I learned to ride a bike. I was 8 years old and my dad was holding the back of the seat, running along me as I pedaled. Suddenly he let go and I felt a rush of excitement and fear. I wobbled a bit, but then I was gliding smoothly, feeling the wind in my hair. My dad cheered me on and I rode further and further, feeling proud and free. What type of paragraph is this? I choose C, expository paragraph. And the real answer is B. It is a narrative paragraph. So my answer is wrong because this paragraph is more personal and story-like. So it's about a specific experience and includes details that help the reader visualize the scene. And the option B is a narrative paragraph that typically tell a story, recounts an event, or describe a personal experience. So this paragraph fits that description because it tells the story of learning to ride a bike. And he give me, and Meta I give me the concept too about native paragraph often often made of. It's to tell a story or recount an event and include personal experiences or memories and use descriptive language to engage the reader. And the next question is still about the narrative paragraph. And I choose it correctly because I already know narrative paragraph made about. Okay, and that's all the prompts that I use for Meta AI. Okay, through my experiences using Meta I gained valuable insights into the structure and clarity required in the effective paragraph writing. So Meta AI help reinforce the importance of topic sentence, logical flow, supporting details, and proper transitions by generating examples and offering corrections, and also the concept of the thing that we would like to know. So it made it easier to distinguish between well-structured and poorly organized paragraphs. And moreover, the instant feedback from Meta AI allowed me to revise and improve my writing in real time. and promoting my deeper understanding of coherence and unity in paragraph development. And going forward, I plan to use MetaAI as a learning companion to explore and practice writing at various shapes of paragraph, such as narrative, declarative, descriptive, expository, etc. I will use it to generate model paragraphs for analysis, request feedback on my writing, and ask for explanations of structure and style differences. So that's all for me. Thank you for your attention. I hope it will useful for us. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.